guys, welcome back to my channel. This is day 7 of my 12 days of planning, and I am adding on another sheet in my little flip book, and I have been having the best time doing this. So today I am going to put Santa on this page and color him in and put my own wish list of everything that I want for Christmas this year. Things that I've told, different people. And I just thought it'd be really cute. I'm going to color him and then write in my list, and that should be it. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to label it with red letters, and I might not be able to use the exact same font across the entire thing, but I think that might actually look better. So let's go ahead and label it. Well, should I put Santa down first? Maybe I should. So I was thinking of cutting him out. But, I mean, if it's just on white paper, I don't think it's such a big deal. So I'm going to save myself time and tape him down this way. And then he's going to go off the page a little bit because I need to have space. So that's what I'll do here. Plus, taping him down with this on like all the fingers and everything, I feel like it won't be, and the gift, like, so I'm gonna do it this way. As far as the list, so this kind of looks like one of those rolled out lists, So I was kind of picturing to have it tilted, but I'm not going to. All right. I'm gonna put it right like that. Do you think it's okay that the gift overlaps it? I don't know if I like that at all. Okay, I actually hate the gift. So I'm gonna cut it off. The colors are like all wrong. So instead, what I'm gonna do is like put a Christmas gift, like put a gift right there. Okay, so this is that new extension pack that I got. And since the colors aren't as bright, I think maybe it would work. I'm gonna kind of put it at the bottom since I want to be able to write in a lot. Okay, and now I just need to write in everything I want. Okay, that is it. I'm going to use my red marker. No, I'll just do black to make bullet points. All right, it's all done. I'm not obsessed with it, but I like it. I think it's cute. Let me see. There's a few more gifts that I can put on the page. This one, even though it's on a circle, I think it's still good. Oh, here's some. But then it wouldn't match the colors that I'm doing. So let me see. Here we go. Let's do this one. Cute. All right. I don't know if I want it to say documented. Maybe I could just put like some washi or something right there. I don't know. Oh, this is cute. Kind of like jazz up the page. Guys, I'm seriously having so much fun with this like flip book thing. All right, it's all done. So, yay. All right, that was day 7. So we're 1 week in. Cute, cute, cute. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and let me know if you are wanting to get any of these things either. I think the number one thing that I want is probably the comfy or the popcorn maker. I don't know. All right, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.